My name is Christian Gill, chef and spiceologist with Spiceology.
What's up, everyone? My name's Tony Reed, and I'm the director of Culinary at Spiceology.
Korean BBQ.
My first love child at Spiceology. The story behind this blend is pretty simple. Spiceology was approached by a very, very popular
And expensive.
retailer who wanted us to create a product for a very, very well-known Iron Chef.
Not me.
Yet.
Yet.
Definitely not yet. Spiceology started to put together this blend, and out of nowhere we realized this blend was way too good. So me and the team at Spiceology decided to birth my first spice child.
But before we get into the versatile flavor profiles of this blend, a little history on where Korean barbecue came from. The origins of Korean barbecue can be traced back to a nomadic group of people called the Mak. This group would bring pre-seasoned meats on their travels. The meats would be then prepared over an open fire. It's believed that this pre-seasoning technique was developed as a food prep time saver for a tribe that was always on the go. Add some banchan like kimchi and bibimbap to your grilled meats, and we have what is now known as Korean barbecue.
This blend packs all of the well-known flavors that everyone appreciates and loves within Korean barbecue. Gochugaru flake, otherwise known as Korean chili flake, brings a fruity and sweet heat to every bite. Tamari soy, the salty umami that even keeps the gluten-free guests happy. Black and white sesame seeds for a little bitter nuttiness. Orange peel for a little citrus bitterness. Smoked paprika and cayenne, the finishing touch to the equation that lifts the smoky and heat to the blend.
Gives all your food that flavor money shot.
Smoked paprika, which helps build a bold smokiness within the blend. And finally, cayenne, which helps balance out the gochugaru sweet and fruity flavors with a little bit more heat to the blend. This blend is really unique. Depending on the cook technique, you're gonna get different flavor profiles performing with every application. For instance, frying.
The chicken comes off a little sweet up front and juicy from the soy granules liquefying, but finishes with nothing but umami. Smoking.
Brisket really pulls the flavors of this blend through the entire bite. Pan sear.
Everything. It's a little chili forward, you can taste hints of fermentation, little smoky, little tangy, great on everything. Sauces.
Bibimbap. Incorporating this into bibimbap sauce will add layers to the fermented gochujang with smoky, spicy, and nutty flavor profiles. Grilling.
Bok choy. You'll get a lot more of the gochugaru chili and cayenne flavors along with some smoky nuttiness from the paprika and sesame seeds.
This blend carries all of the flavor profiles that anyone loves to have in any Asian cuisine.
So you would say it's the heart and soul food of Asian cuisine. Seoul, Korea.
Barbecue.
Barbecue.
Korean barbecue.
Funky, nutty, spicy.
Period.